What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is on this little Adam S, putting a stage 1 map on it and a full custom catback exhaust as well. So let's get in with it. So this is the old exhaust off the Vauxhall Adam, and now Dylan is making the custom catback, and he's just on the bender bending some bits. So he's going to tack it all up, put it in place, and then we're going to be TIG welding this custom system. So it's going to be really nice TIG welds, and it's going to look and sound sick. And on we'll go. The highways, and on we'll go. So this is basically the full new exhaust to go on. It's going to be TIG weld by Adam in a minute. He's just over there TIG welding another part of another exhaust on another car. So when that's on the car, we'll show you all the nice TIG welds, and it's also being V-band flanged up, so that'll look really nice on the car as well. And then we're going to put the tip on. See the horizon, turn us to thousands. On we'll go, through the wastelands, through the... So as we can see in front of us, the Adam S exhaust is all tigged up now, ready to go on the car, and then fit the tip to it. Look how nice they are. Absolutely love TIG welds, just makes the exhaust look so much prettier, and hopefully the sound is going to be absolutely mental. So the exhaust is now on the little Adam S, and the Akrapovic tip looks really nice out the back as well. So now we're going to go out in the car and see what the stage 1 is like. Hopefully it's going to be absolutely sick, just like the car sounds. So let's get it. So we're out in the Adam S with Shane the remapper. Gonna go do the Dino Runs now, so we're going to show you a couple of pulls and then tell you what it's making. So the Vauxhall Adam is back in the workshop now, ready to go out to the customer. Goes pretty well. It's 170 brake horsepower and 243 Newton meters of torque, so pretty good figures for a stage 1. A little bit down on what we expected, but not too much anyways. If you want, like him, any tuning or exhaust work, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.